The transformation of blockchain guaranteed numerous financial backers of digital currencies of protection and classification. They accept this logical calculation is sufficiently strong to safeguard their exchanges, guarding them, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the shipper nor the beneficiary, and not even the sum moved, is in any capacity cleared to different clients on the organization. Solana Labs was created in 2017 by Greg Fitzgerald and Anatoly Yakovenko. Solana environment is viewed as a compelling, quick, secure, oversight-safe blockchain with minimal expense that gives the open foundation expected to worldwide reception. It is quite possibly the earliest stage to utilize a blend of designated verification of stake and evidence of history agreement. It has no exchange expenses too. Thus, the validator's fundamental mission is decentralizing Solana's organization by giving processing assets to approve exchanges or capacity for record overt repetitiveness. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point Solana cost forecast. Solana specialized examination, figuring out Solana market, going by the Solana value history and specialized examination. The money has gathered a top situation in the digital currency market in view of market cap rankings. As demonstrated by the Solana cost expectation, the SOL tumbled to $4.40 toward the finish of January 2021. From that point forward, because of a critical bullish stage, the money evened out off to a worth above $40. The associations, activities, and unions pushed the adaptability of the Solana organization to multi-million exchanges each second. The organization is really famous with various ventures based on it, as NFT and DeFi markets with bountiful stockpile and top market position. Given the headway, we can anticipate that Solana's cost should take off to a level of the $260.06 mark, making it another unequaled high. Thus, the figure for the earlier year ended up being sensible, which recommended a normal SOL cost of $187. Subsequent to arriving at an ATH esteem, the benefit booking opinions dominated and pulled the value down to around $78 in 4 months or less. One more explanation that could be related with Solana's cost fall is the double dealing of the wormhole span. The following day, the $80 Solana crypto esteem ended up being a purchasing zone, and the token began to recuperate according to past cost information. The SOL coin cost proceeded with its recuperation to the $136 mark. In any case, the Solana cost saw a revision, prompting a lofty fall in the worth, and in this way reached $44. In light of the data on the ongoing value activity of the Solana token and specialized examination, we reason that the advanced resource may not be appropriate for transient venture. In any case, over the long haul, the specialized markers propose that it could be a productive decision. As of now, the SOL coins are exchanging a lot of underneath their nearby opposition of $82.71. The vital and critical obstruction should be visible at $118.11 and $146.72. The prompt help level of SOL tokens is $25.49. Assuming that the coin's value comes to quick help, future value developments might be very hard for SOL financial backers. It completely relies upon the money's development and essentials. Estimate: the SOL cost could exchange at around $68 toward the finish of 2022. SOL has a promising future. According to the Solana conjecture, it might get hardly affected, yet the bull run will be back, and by the mid of 2023, Solana's cost might reach $78.25. SOL Cash is by all accounts showing a positive long-haul pattern according to the Solana coin cost expectation. The bulls will push it up like the other crypto Goliaths as well, and it might exchange at around $78.76 toward the finish of 2026. Solana value expectation 2022. The latest thing of SOL isn't all that positive, yet there could be many purposes for the cost vacillation. Consequently, we can't decide that Solana is certainly not a wise venture choice for crypto sweethearts. May 2022 saw a critical accident in the whole market, and aside from that, SOL likewise confronted a few issues in its blockchain. The Solana blockchain was stopped for just about 4 hours because of specialized disappointments. These specialized issues were found in the disconnected exchanges known as sturdy non-C exchanges. These exchanges were halted until the engineers could find and settle the blunder. Aside from this, the organization additionally met with one more bug which went on for just about 8 hours. Solana confronted a clock float issue, the postponement on-chain time, and this shortcoming was brought about by longer block handling prompting debased execution. Nonetheless, the Solana market might recuperate because of a few updates, organizations, and local area subsidizing. According to our Solana expectation for 2022, the cost is supposed to stretch around $50 continuously and with a huge market cap, which is very hopeful. In light of our Sol cost gauge, the typical cost is supposed to be around $44 and the potential low might be $38. Sol token value expectation for October 2022. The Solana worth will keep on rising, expanding the symbolic interest. In October, Solana will arrive at a most extreme degree of $47 and a base worth of $43 according to our Solana cost forecast 2022. Sol value gauge for November 2022. As indicated by our Sol cost expectation 2022, the coin will have a typical exchanging cost of $47 with a base exchanging cost of $45 and an end cost of $49 for the period of November. The value ascent of this current month will add to the development in the following month too. Sol value estimate for December 2022. Before the year's over, we anticipate that the coin should have become by over 30%. The base and most extreme costs are supposed to be $48 and $50 individually. Simultaneously, the typical cost of Solana for the month might be around $49. Solana value forecast 2023. Sol has laid out a quick, completely dependable organization and works with the item's client experience. These highlights of the Solana blockchain can help the SOL USD gain a lot greater costs. The normal greatest worth might be $60 with the most minimal worth of $48. According to Solana Digital Money Cost Expectation 2023, if the drive for practical crypto proceeds, the cost of Sol tokens might try and see a worldview scramble for speculation. Solana Value Forecast 2024. There is truly a hypothesis information in the ongoing business sector for this digital money Sol, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has planned. Our Solana cost expectation expects that its costs might come to the $60 mark by the principal half. In continuation with the main quarter, the most exorbitant cost may be around $68 constantly and the blessing is finished by significantly security and versatility highlights than other digital currencies. And the thrilling limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers reap the additions. Solana Value Forecast 2025. Solana might have its portion of foggy days assuming there are any progressions in crypto arrangements and guidelines. It might cruise serenely at $75 making it not fall yet play predictably. According to our Solana coin cost expectation 2025, it wouldn't be a distortion to find that the Sol coin worth will scale a pinnacle of $85 again. However, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. Solana has colossal development anticipated in the impending years, and the value skyline is really brilliant for SOL USD. Solana Value Expectation 2026. In the year 2026, our figure recommends that the worth might hit a normal of $72. Taking into account every one of the hopeful projections, situations, and authentic information, it can possibly reach $81. The new arising adventures and organizations can additionally support the organization's capacity to accomplish the objective cost of Sol with a normal scope of $63 to $81. Solana Value Expectation 2027. As per our figure, the coin will see an ascent of around 46% in the whole year. It will exchange from the likely low of $75 to the most extreme degree of $110.